It's with great sadness and sorrow that we announce the passing of David Kamere Kimani. David Kamere Kimani has gone to be with the Lord. He hails from Alabama in the USA. His death occurred early Tuesday morning, August 27th, after a brief illness. He was the brother to Catherine Wamai of Seattle, Washington, and Keingati of Columbia, Missouri. Family and friends are meeting to plan for his send-off, which will be announced at a later date. For financial support to make it easy for us to give him a decent send-off, please use the Cash App or Zelle number 253-754-3741. Our brother and a father and a son, Mr. David Kamere Kimani. We loved you, and we still do, but God, in His will, has called you home for eternal rest. Go well and rest in peace. Amen.